Good morning, I'm Jay Russell. We have breaking news coming into the newsroom right now. The first doses of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine arrived in El Paso. As you can see right now, this is live video of the vaccine coming in. It's being delivered. Health officials say nearly 3,000 doses are expected to arrive. As you can see on your screen right now, this is a UPS vehicle driving into El Paso. Now, also what is going on as well, you heard this before on our earlier newscast, the rollout of the Pfizer vaccine. This is the first to be authorized for emergency use by the FDA. This ushers in the biggest vaccination effort in U.S. history, and this is great news for the city of El Paso. KTSM 9 News spoke with doctors yesterday, and they are very excited for the healthcare community. Everyone from doctors, nurses, and housekeeping is very optimistic about the vaccine. Now, doctors are still saying despite the vaccine arrival, this is no time to let your guards down, and it's very true. You heard earlier today with the new numbers as El Paso health officials let out there were 8 new deaths today, 188 new cases as well, and there is still right now in our community 37,000 active cases. So we want to make sure that we're being careful out there right now. Our reporter, Carla Draxler, is at UMC, and she is awaiting a live shot. We're going to go to her and speak to her. But again, doctors are very excited about this because we could maybe see the near of the end. This is live video again. If you're just tuning in right now of the COVID vaccine being delivered here to El Paso, right there on that wagon. Now, we heard about this, that the vaccine needs to be at a certain temperature, so it is very cold, and this is going to be going to our frontline workers and the elderly. That's what the CDC recommended earlier this month, so that's what's going to be going on. Do not let your guards down. Remember, wear your mask out there. Use hand sanitizer 6 feet away from everybody. Now, for the general public, when can you expect the vaccine? Well, it could be between April and this summer for the general population. But for right now, what you're looking at is live video right now of the UMC. This is going to be for our frontline workers, our healthcare workers. They're going to be getting that vaccine going in there right now. 2,900 doses is inside that box. Now, health officials have reported today that there are 8 new deaths right now from COVID-19. In total, in all in the Sun City, there's 1,220 deaths reported, 188 new cases for COVID-19, and also there's 37,000 active cases in our community. Now, we saw it delivered on the side of the road of the UMC. As you can see on the video right now, this is going straight up and inside there right now. So we're going to be seeing what is going on. Now again, UMC is one of 5 hospitals in El Paso set to receive the vaccine this week. UMC is receiving around 2,900 vaccines, according to the Texas Department of State Health Services. The hospitals of Providence East, the hospitals of Providence Memorial, Del Sol, and Las Palmas Medical Center are set to receive around 900 vaccines later this week, so they're still going to be coming in as this is happening. Now, according to Texas health officials, UMC is the first hospital in El Paso to receive the vaccine. And this is very important. You just saw the video come in right now that it was going inside there. And you have to remember as well, it is very cold to make sure that that vaccine stays safe for our healthcare workers. Now, our reporter, KTSM 9's Carla Draxler, is live at University Medical Center right now of El Paso. Carla, tell us what you're seeing.
Good morning, Jay. Well, it's safe to say that we are witnessing a historical moment as the first batch of COVID-19 vaccine rolls into the University Medical Center in El Paso. As you could see, the 2,925 vaccines are ready to be administered starting today. And the UMC tells us that in the next day, they will be ready. They will be gone. All of the vaccines will be gone, and they will be first administered to everyone who is in close contact with COVID-19 patients, including nurses, technicians, and physicians. UMC says healthcare workers are not required to take the vaccine, but as that majority did sign up and they're expecting to use all the vaccines. This vaccine is administered in 2 doses, and UMC will be expecting the second shipment to come in the next 3 weeks. And in this week, we will be expecting over 6,000 vaccines to come into El Paso, which once again will be first administered to the healthcare workers. And then starting in January or February of 2021, they will be going to the elderly, and after that to the general population sometime in the spring of 2021. Reporting live in South Central El Paso, Carla Draxler, KTSM 9 News.
Thank you, Carla. This is a great day for the borderland and all of America. I think we've had a very tough year, and it's very good to see that vaccine coming inside right now here at the UMC. Now, this also includes affiliates at El Paso Children's Hospital and Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center. We will continue to follow this story as it's coming in, and also make sure you tune in to KTSM 9 News at noon and go to our website, ktsm.com. We're going to have the latest information for you. Thank you for joining us, and have a great day, Borderland.